Good morning. What's going on? We're doing our Facebook Live. Donut Derelicts in Huntington Beach, California. Every Saturday morning at Adams Avenue Donuts. Checking out the shoebox over here. Really beautiful car. Hope everyone's having a nice weekend so far. Got some people pulling in still. Lots of people over by Kip's 300 SL Roadster. So, beautiful Nova. Really nice Nova. Good morning, Bellflower. What's going on, Bellflower? Knoxville, Tennessee. Larry, what's going on, Larry? How are you this morning? Morning. Cool step side. Good looking truck. Cool Z28 Camaro right here too. You got Mike's. I guess Woody Wagon, I guess you want to call it. Yes, sir.
I was surprised you guys didn't.
Hey, there's a dog right there. The one laying on the ground.
I'm a pig dog.
Sorry. Hey, I'm gonna need you to step up your game. I know you got a split window, but we're like.
Oh, you hurt my feelings.
What's going on here?
Did you see this? Hey, this is over the top.
I know.
Oh my god! You already interviewed him?
I've talked to this
All right, good.
this.
Good, because that thing has to be talked about.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah. You know what, he left Long Beach.
It's like kind of nice.
What was that place you left?
The Classic Center.
The
You
Classic
had
Center.
to register.
You gotta register.
You didn't register for a cup of coffee.
Up there.
You got to register for it.
That kind.
Yeah, that's why I didn't go.
That's why you left.
I'd rather be here with my buddies.
That's right.
than doing it there.
That's right. You were with the guys.
Yes, sir.
Hey, he's with us. We're enjoying it.
I know. It's pretty darn nice.
That's funny.
So where's this one?
It's gonna go out.
No, it's already. You can't get it back.
No, it is. It's separate.
Scottsdale.
Morning from Seattle. What's going on? Good evening from Melbourne. Fabio, what's going on?
It's too like, and again, it's just too tight. You know what I mean? It's nice. It's better. Way better before that. But I'll tell you, I can't believe the difference. Is there a choke all in your place? Yeah. Way too expensive to do though. You should buy one. But you can buy one for $67, $68. But that 2-inch seat extender? You and I can do that in an hour. I want to.
That's the show right here.
It's pretty darn nice. Yeah. Yes, sir. Pretty darn nice. black wheels. Black on black, red interior, black wheels, black exterior. Blackhawks Automotive Museum. What's going on? This is the convertible version of what would have been the Gullwing Mercedes. Good looking Nomad pulling by in the background there.
Why not? You know, that's the beauty of this. Yeah, we
Guys, okay? My son says you're somewhere else? Okay. Oh, good. Okay, well, good luck with that.
Let's go down the Corvette aisle. We don't always make it. Let's go do that. Good morning, awesome car show. Best donuts around. Thank you. Where is his sidekick? I think he slept in this morning. So he is not here this morning. He slept in or he's got another car show going on. So many car shows, so little time. Corvette rock. All right, let's go check out some Corvettes. I know we got some Corvette fans, so let's check it out. What generation of Corvette, throw in the comments, do you guys like the best? Because I think we got just about every generation represented over here. And we got some Mustangs over here too. Got a fuel injection. That over here, 67, 68. You tell me. '60s, okay. There you go, Alan. Nice convertible first gen. I think I'm a first or second gen fan personally. That's my personal preference. 68 Shelby. I do like the newer stuff too. So it kind of just depends. What's happening? I'm doing good. What's going on with you?
I wanted to ask you a question on your Oldsmobile.
Uh-huh.
Did you just find that by chance, or somebody was searching out for their Oldsmobile?
It is somebody that was selling it here. Yeah, the gentleman was selling it here, and I was just looking for a classic car to buy, and it was something that was not, you know, super ridiculous and just, yeah. Oh, okay. Uh-huh. 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 You're looking for a 49 or 50 what? Oh, an Oldsmobile? Oh, okay. How funny. Yeah. Yeah, it's funny, I wasn't necessarily like looking specifically for one. But yeah, they're kind of a funny thing because not really many people are looking for them, you know?
That's why they're more reasonable to buy.
Right, exactly. And especially, exactly, yeah. And then the four-door one's kind of like, then even less people want that.
Those extra doors and that.
Exactly.
You know, the long run with kids and all, it's handy to
Yeah, no, for sure. Yeah, and it's not like, I'm worried, about, the collectiveness of it or something silly like that, obviously. So, yeah. Yeah, no, yeah. Unless something breaks, I'm leaving it alone.
What amazes me is how many of these early cars have got the late model, Corvette motors and
Yeah, the LSs and stuff in them, yeah.
That's going to cost a fortune to put all that stuff in.
Yeah. Yeah, it just depends. I mean, where you go and get it and all that stuff. But, yeah, it can. It can. That's for sure.
A little bright going down this way to get a picture.
What's that?
It's a little bright trying to get a picture this way.
Big time, yeah. Yeah.
Good day, Steve.
Yeah, see ya. Hopefully it's cooler today. Really nice Nova over here. Let's go check out the Nova. Good looking Nova. Nova fans, 66 Chevelle. Love his t-shirt. What t-shirt was he wearing? I didn't even see. Huh, I didn't see. I love the color. This root beer color is like root beer green of this Nova. It's a really, really cool Nova. Huh. It's a good looking car. Really nice. Morning. What's happening? How you doing? Cool Porsche. Porsche. I gotta catch myself as saying Porsche or Porsche. Get in trouble. The purists. All right, I have to come over here and check out this bad boy. You're going for it. Well, there you go. Yeah, it's straightened out. I like that you're making a spot, not a spot. You're good right there. Nice job. I like your spot selection. That's nice. Yeah, it did. That's perfect, actually. That's nice. Perfect. There you go. Just park it wherever you want. That's a spot just for you. What year is that?
71.
71. It's a cool color too.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's the original color.
Is it really?
Yep.
Yeah, it's cool. I like it. It's cool. I like this bad boy too. I like the custom paint on it. Really nice. There's a lot of really cool cars here today. Lots of different stuff, unique stuff. '53 Bel Air. AC, nice. The chrome Jeep. Got a couple nice Porsches over here. What is going on here? I like that. That's nice. Okay, 80s. Really nice car. So much cool stuff. All right, I think I'm gonna turn it off for now and then walk around and take some pics. Thank you so much for watching, everybody.